Now, what are your feelings? कल से यहाँ खड़ा रहना मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
First thing is, it's a proud moment, not only for me, for my company, but I think it should be a proud moment for each and every Goan also. And for the Indian nationals, I would say for the Indians basically. So it's an achievement for all.
So tomorrow officially this becomes India's widest structure cable stayed bridge.
Yes.
आपको हमें दिखाना पड़ेगा वहाँ पे. So tomorrow this should be India's widest 54 meters.
It will be 54 meters. This part is 27 meters. The right hand side bridge is 27 meters. So total it is 54 meters.
Okay, now with all this, what would be the carrying capacity of this bridge? How many vehicles can pass?
The number of vehicles you can imagine, the load carrying capacity of one bridge is 4,000 tons. So if you assume a loaded truck, that is about 30 to 40 tons. So you can say about more than around 100 trucks of 40 tons it can carry at a time.